I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both laptop and phone so discovery works. This is the minimum radio requirement. Open Windows settings and navigate to System, Nearby Sharing, and pick a visibility option. Everyone nearby speeds pairing, while my devices only is more private. On your phone, enable Nearby Share or Android's sharing feature and sign in to the same Google or Microsoft account when applicable. This reduces prompts and links device identities. Once done, you're ready to Now you perform the active transfer. Right-click any file or use the share icon in File Explorer, then select Nearby Sharing and pick your phone from the device list. You will see a prompt on the phone. Accept it, then choose whether to save or open the incoming file. This confirms the exchange. If devices don't appear, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and rescan. Make sure both screens are unlocked because discovery often requires active device states. This step completes the exchange handshake and starts the transfer. To finish, verify the file landed where you expected, check downloads or photos on the phone, and open it to confirm integrity. If transfers fail, make sure Windows power settings aren't turning off Bluetooth adapters and allow nearby sharing through any firewall. These are common blockers. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart Bluetooth on both devices and toggle nearby sharing off then on. This often fixes discovery and permission glitches. If problems persist, reboot both devices and try the transfer again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.